the hose I have won't make it around to my frame. And so I got my other hose, and guess what? Well, I just spent an hour in the tub trying to get clean, and I used some lacquer thinner and some reducer and paint stuff, and yeah, I painted the underneath of the frame, laying underneath it with POR, and I gotta say, you need to cover your face with something. Oh, good thing I'm on holidays and I can just sort of hang out at home. This stuff is just, you know it's gonna work when you can't get it off yourself. What's up? Let's have a look at this frame I did today. It's a little leafy. Let's pull those leaves off. Oh, a little leafy. Let's pull some of those leaves off. But look at that! Wow. Wow. We're gonna change those front springs so it doesn't matter. Look at that. Doesn't that look? And we need access to the guts and the diff. Oh baby, it's like brand new. Brand new. And new shocks, we're putting new shocks on. Yeah baby, that looks wicked. Babe, the frame look good or what?
Oh my God.
What?
There's leaves stuck all over it.
I think I should have worn a face mask, eh?
I think you should have wore something.
I did. I had a shirt on and some gloves, but I was laying underneath it and it was dripping on my face.
And how did it taste?
Well, the one went in my mouth. It didn't taste like that banana cream pie, I'll tell you that.
Oh God.
So if you want to take a holiday, you can take it with a Dalmatian.
Funny.
That's what Dalmatians sound like, right? Do you think Derek will recognize me with my new look? Hey Derek.
Yeah.
It got painted.
Holy shit. Did you get any on the truck?
That's what Carol said.
Holy cow.
I look like a Dalmatian,
Well,
don't
all
I?
over your face and everything.
I know.
Good thing you got 2 weeks, buddy.
I got 2 weeks holiday. 2
Yeah,
weeks.
good thing.
2 weeks holiday. I think it.
Got any blush or anything? We can
Yeah. Touch me up.
Some makeup? I got some makeup.
I think I'm gonna be 3-4 days like this.
Oh, he's not going nowhere.
Yeah.
We better wear some long sleeve shirts.
There's no kissing me with those lips.
I you know what? I laid underneath it, and every once in a while I could feel just a drip, but I wasn't paying attention, and then all of a sudden, blow right on my mouth. I was like, bah! And then I thought, I'm gonna go take a look. See
Do
how
your fans know what you look like?
Yeah, here, let's take a
my fans.
Oh,
We'll give a,
let's see.
you can have a good box and I'll get
This is what he looks like, everybody. Yeah, there's not much on his truck at all.
It's on the truck.
All over his face.
there's a God. Don't look away. Help me now.
Got her covered up because apparently UV light and POR don't mix. So, just finished all the touch-ups on here and just holding her down. Holding down the fort. And apparently it's gonna rain here, but pretty cool clouds. I love clouds. They're just awesome.